Hey folks, and welcome to this latest video about Defang, the fastest way for developers to deploy containerized applications to AWS. So last time we talked about how to use GitHub Actions to deploy a Next.js application to Defang, setting up a token and all of that stuff. Well, it is actually easier now, so I'm going to show you. So here we have the exact same project that we looked at last time, but I'm going to walk you through a simpler configuration. So I'm actually going to go into my settings, into my environments, and I'm just going to trash that. Which also means that these secrets and variables are now empty, but it's still going to work. And the reason it is still going to work is that we've made a little change here. So we used to have our token and we didn't have this permission section. So we logged in with the token, but now we add this permission section, which changes the permissions of the GitHub token variable. And what we're going to do here is when we run Defang login, Defang already logs in with GitHub. So it will take that GitHub token and it'll exchange it for a Defang token automatically. No secrets to configure. We're also going to get rid of this environment because it doesn't exist anymore. And now, if we run git add, git commit, remove and git push, let's take a look in our actions. Here we go. Should be very nice and fast. Yep, done. There's our deployment, up and running with Defang in very little time. We can go to the portal to take a look at that. So we've got our web service. Oh, I have it deployed as an internal service. I'm just going to git add, git commit, and remove published port. And look how easy that is. I don't even need to run any commands. It just gets deployed automatically through our GitHub Actions, which is exactly what we want out of these kinds of pipelines. So pretty cool. Alrighty, so if we head back to our portal, we now have this up and running. There it is, deployed with actions without any secrets, nice and easy. Awesome. Thanks for watching, and go deploy something awesome, folks. See ya.